AI automation and combustion systems. At Smokeless Chimney, we're designing combustion control equipment and smoke measurement equipment. We have to test it out almost every day. This system has multiple fans and it's working quite well, but it's just a small SBC, single board computer, or also called system on a chip. So we're going to start a little fire in here and we're going to take it all the way to refueling. And I'll get my video camera nice and hot trying to video the fire. I'm going to set up a fire. So I'm putting a scoop of pellets in. Wall right there. Wall right there. So I'm building a little house there, and then I'm going to put a bunch of little small pieces . One piece of that. All right. I've zeroed out the system, the smoke system, data acquisition system, and I apply a 1,000-watt burner to it. These Bernstein torches put out about 1,000 watts of propane, and it gets the wax fire starter going, and all the heat goes into the lining of the walls of the little structure and then are starting to reflect back into the fuel. So the little house method is working quite well for me in that I get a nice little fire going and it turns into coals in about 30 minutes. So we're going to watch this build up in the fire. I've got a timer going for the first 10 minutes or so, and then I lose the sync with the timer a little later. Ever wonder what really happens inside a flame? It's more than just heat and light. It's a complex chemical dance, and today we're not just watching the dance, we're teaching it new moves with artificial intelligence. Welcome to Smart Combustion, where we're bringing the future of control right into our firebox. Traditional combustion control is reactive, not proactive. AI can predict, optimize, and react in real time. Today we're going to prove it. I'll build a structure, light a fire, and let the AI show us its magic. 31 minutes into this. It is really hot. It is 386. The infrared eye over here is 340. So what I'm going to do is try to back my camera off a little bit. Okay. I'm going to do a breakdown of the fuel. That's a good breakdown of the fuel. I have a pretty big log here. As our fire burns, take a look at the data pouring in. We're seeing temperature fluctuations here and crucial smoke levels. A human operator would not be able to adjust this as often, but the AI, the single board computer, can look for the sweet spot where it's not smoking and then learn how to run this wood stove so that it burns clean.
secret hero works to keep the air free. No smoke, no fumes, just clean and bright. Our smokeless chimney shining with delight.